Here's my son Ryan. We're going to replace a water faucet on our pop-up camper trailer. We're going to replace the outside water faucet. Are you ready? Okay, this is going to be easy.
As you can see, Jayco J Series 1207 pop-up camper we bought last year, and have done some changes too. We are going to be replacing this old shower faucet on the outside. It's sort of leaky and sort of hard to work with and doesn't get much of a stream, and we're replacing it with this new model. As you can see, model number DFSA 186 white. It is a nice blue hose. They come in black too. Black seemed a little crazy for the outside of the trailer. I figured that would get quite hot, but anyways, here we go.
Okay, so here we are inside. We need to take the connectors off from the faucet inside. We're not replacing this faucet, remember, we're doing the one outside. So I just simply open up the access door underneath, normally where we store our stuff, and you'll see, nice and easy, 2 access panels. It looks like it's lit up, but it's just the sun. So 2 hoses. We're gonna take off the hoses, make sure that the water was shut off, obviously first. Take off those black knobs and pull the piece out. So just 1 second.
Okay, so here you see a picture of the faucet taken off. I unscrewed, took off the 2 hoses, hot and cold water. There was a securing nut on each of those I took off. Ryan pulled the faucet out from the outside through those 2 holes. He put back the new faucet into the same 2 holes. I resecured it with the securing nuts, hooked the hoses up, and checked for leaks.
This is the new unit installed. Nice quick connect plug, long hose, coils up, quick connect plug, right in, done. Our hose, a few different settings, sprayer nozzle flat. I hook it right up here, nice and neat. The old one had a nice holder, but hey, no problems, we don't really need it. It's on hose, so it extends out where you want. Wash your feet, take care of everything. And it's a great little unit.